Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate TNT. Yes, you heard that right. A working TNT duplication glitch has been discovered for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This clever method allows players to generate an infinite supply of TNT blocks, which is incredibly useful for large-scale projects or mining. We will walk through the steps to build this contraption, but remember, these are glitches and might be removed in future game updates. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need 2 sticky pistons, 1 slime block, and several redstone components including redstone dust, repeaters, and observers. Also, grab 1 water bucket, 1 lava bucket, and about 7 glass blocks. Don't forget a lever to activate the system, some bone meal, and at least 2 TNT blocks to start the duplication process. Now, let's construct the core of the duper. It is crucial to build this entire mechanism within a single chunk for it to function correctly. Start by placing 2 sticky pistons, 1 block apart, both facing the same direction. Then, position a slime block directly in front of one of these sticky pistons. Next, set up a water source and a lava source, enclosing the lava with 5 to 7 glass blocks. The final steps involve activation. First, use bone meal to grow a 2 tall grass block in the specific area between your water and lava sources. Place 1 TNT block directly under the slime block. Now, flick the lever to activate the redstone circuit. The TNT should briefly disappear. Quickly break the sticky piston, and the TNT will reappear as a glitch block. You can then repeatedly break this block to duplicate TNT infinitely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.